Here's a fact. On average, a rookie internet entrepreneur spends $3,890 before he quits trying to make money online. Most of them never know what they were doing wrong. Maybe you're in that position today and you're about to give up. But listen, today there's hope. It's time to turn the tables around in your favor. But for that to happen, you need to first learn the rules of the game and play it better than everyone else. That's why I've created this amazing video training where I'll reveal everything you need to know about internet marketing. Introducing Internet Marketing Mastery 2.0. This set of training videos will take you from the noob level and make you the ultimate owner of the game. Each video will take you towards a better understanding of how internet marketing works and how to smartly implement simple and workable strategies that make you money. So without any further delay, scroll down this page below to discover more about this awesome training program, and then secure your copy today.